Ready to supercharge your internet experience with the ultimate web browser. First, open your current web browser, like Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox, which is probably what you're using right now to watch this video. Use that existing browser as you only need it temporarily to get you what you really want. In the search bar, type Google Chrome download and press enter. You'll see a bunch of results, but find the official Google Chrome download website and click on it. Usually it will have Google Chrome or a similar address. Now you're on the Google Chrome download page. Click the big blue download Chrome button. You might see a pop-up asking if you want to allow changes. Just go ahead and allow it. Once you've clicked that download button, a setup file will start downloading. Usually, you'll find the downloaded file either in your downloads folder or at the bottom of your current browser's window. When it's done, double-click the downloaded file to start the installation, which will start a setup wizard. Chrome Setup Wizard will automatically start installing Chrome. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Now, Chrome will open automatically. And congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and installed Google Chrome. You can now personalize it, sign into your Google account to sync your settings, and start browsing the web faster and more efficiently.